Welcome. Let's restring the contact wand. I've got one here that needs a fresh string. Let's give it a go. The only things you're going to need for this are scissors, some fresh string, and a lighter. So, first up, we're going to grab our new string, unwind, 5-6 feet of it, maybe about your arm span, just to start. And then, because we have this fancy grommet, we can take our new string, just feed it right on through. Super simple. Now, go ahead and take a moment, grab the leash, and then find the center or the balance of your wand. Looks like this is the down end. Flip it over. Nice. This end's the bottom. All right. Now, we can pull until we're all the way at the edge. Maybe give yourself 2-3 inches away from the top. We can go ahead and cut our string. Grab your scissors, nice and sharp. Snip. Perfect. This is how to tie the knot. First, we're going to want to even up the ends of our string, and then we're going to tie it on. Make a loop, pass both ends through the loop, and then tighten down your knot. Not too tight, because first we're going to want to measure where that knot is going to land. Let's say about 2 fingers above the tip of our wand. Or pull it tight. Nice. To finish our knot, we're going to cut just above a little space because we're going to melt this down. Just like that. Take our lighter. We can put the flame next to it instead of dipping it all the way into the fire. Once we've got it a little bit melty, you can use the broad side of your lighter to smoosh it down. Make sure not to touch this though, wouldn't want to burn yourself. For contact wand handles, we have 2 favorite options. We have the contact wand knob that comes standard with your wand, but some people prefer floops. The way you install them is actually the same. We're going to go ahead and find the ring on the end of the swivel, take our knot, and pass it through the ring. Then, slide it down a little bit, open up your string, pass the knot through it, and then tighten it down to land just there. To switch a contact wand knob to a floop, we can pull on the end of this, open up the knot again, pass the loop over the knob, pull the knob right off, and put the floop on the same way that we put the knob on. Pass the knot through the ring, open up the loop, pass the whole thing through, and pull it down. Ta-da! If you prefer floop handles, you might want to adjust your string to make the floop land closer to the top of the wand. It's just a quick cut and a melt, and you can get back in the flow.